Hello there. Today we're going to make our habanero and Reaper pepper hot sauce. So got a bunch of habaneros there, 3 cloves of garlic. And we're going to be putting in these Carolina Reaper peppers. They're super hot if you don't know. Let me open up one. See, the habaneros look like that, and the Reaper peppers, you can focus in on it, look like that. They're kind of mumpy, and they're much hotter than the habanero. So put all of these in there. Use my hands. Focus. There we go. And then we're going to sprinkle it with some salt. And with some pepper. Like, we need more pepper. Usually I put some oil or butter in this, but I forgot. So we're just going to do peppers, garlic, and salt and pepper. I'm going to wrap this up and take it to the oven. Alright, now we have our foil wrapped pouch of peppers and stuff. Put it on the pan here, into the little toaster oven. I'm going to set the time. I just go by judgment here. I'm going to do about 50 minutes. It's a lot. Turn it on to the turbo setting and all the way up to 450. Open this up. Pop it in there. We'll see you later. And we'll come back later when the office starts really stinking. When you making these, be careful, because it will smell, and the spiciness will get in your eyes and everything. That's why I do it at work when nobody's here. Alright, so here we are. So the peppers are done. They were in there for like an hour, something like that. So I'm zooming in on them enough. Get a good shot of them there. They're kind of nice and cooked. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. I really need a cameraman. If anyone wants to be a cameraman, let me know. So I put this into a blender. And be careful with this stuff. These guys are not coughing yet. So with my hot sauce, I usually put some kind of vinegar. Lately I've been using rice vinegar. This stuff is seasoned. So it says it has rice vinegar, sugar, salt, and it's diluted. So usually I put a little bit of sugar in my hot sauce, so I'm going to maybe just skip it and put some of this rice vinegar in it. Alright, now we're pouring the rice vinegar in here. Just kind of eyeball it. Let's see. Usually, see the levels down there, maybe a little bit more. There's really no recipe for this. You'll get the hang of it. So usually about there. I will now try to pop the lid on. It's hard to do this with one hand. And here we go. It's going to get loud. So let me just click this button here, and here we go. Now it is done blending. I had it blending for like 2 or 3 minutes at highest setting you can go, and when you open this up, try to stay away from the fumes there, because this is, I should have brought my should have used my face mask, but stupidly I did not. So let's check it. Yeah, there we go. So it's really thick. So what I like to do is add some water to get it to the consistency I want. Yummy water. Something like that. Put it back in. That should be good. And mix it up again. And let's check it. That's a better consistency. So right now I'm going to stop the video and I'll be back to bottle it up. Alright, so now we have a couple 5-ounce hot sauce bottles here. I reuse them for myself, but if I was going to make these and try to sell them, I wouldn't reuse them. But so I like putting the hot sauce in one of these cups because they're easily bendable, and I'm probably not going to be able to do this too well. Pour it in there. Hopefully I'm not spilling too much. So there's one bottle. I'm not going to fill the other one on camera. So that's it. If you're using super hot sauces like this, I recommend putting one of these on. I usually don't do that with the milder hot sauces. But with this, the ones that'll kill you in a drop or two, I definitely recommend one of these things right here. So that's it. Be careful with this hot sauce, and experiment with your own peppers, own vinegars, and try it out. Let me know how they come out, and if you want to order this, I guess maybe I'll make it and try to sell it, come up with a nifty idea for a label, a name. So there we go. Enjoy.